Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I'm making a important video. This for online about the online scam. So now so many type of scam, so many way scammers are now using so many ways. So I find some ways. Today I inform about one way, and after next video I will say about other way. So start now. Okay, this is the website. Like this so many websites are available now in the Facebook. Okay, just I'm showing in the Facebook. Just if we browse 1 hour 2 hour 1 2 minute, then like this so many ads will come in front. Like this advertisement. Okay, like this advertisement. Look, this all scam site. Okay, this scam site fully in the full Facebook pages. Now Facebook is loaded with the scam sites. This all scams. This these are scams. This scams. This scams. This on online trading platform. This is not scam. This are fully scam. This trading, and this one is scam site. Okay, like this so many scam sites are available now. If we browse all posts like this, now so many scam sites is available in the Facebook ads. Okay, I go to the site, this smart mining system. Okay, this here need connected with the trust wallet. Okay, this site is a fully scam site. Don't trust and do not connect your trust wallet. Okay, I show you my trust wallet. Look here, fully 00. Just before I have here $330. Okay, but this is the transaction. This is the transaction. I did not do this. I did not do this, but I don't know who do this and why this happened. This happened for this wallet is connected. Okay, this wallet is connected. This Polygon mining, Polygon scan, Polygon scan. Okay, this site is connected. That's why scammer withdraw my money. So if you use trust wallet, then don't add any wallet with this. Okay, you can add, no problem, but you can open new one wallet. Look here, I have two wallet, 1 and 2. Maybe this also not possible, because you are giving, when you add other wallet with this, it's mean you giving permission to him. Okay, so better not allow, no connect with any other site with the your trust wallet. When you can connect, if your fund is zero balance. Okay, now you can add any site, no problem, because after coming for you need money. Okay, when you got money and here coming some balance, you can transfer it to other wallet, here to Binance. Binance is fully safe, and this trust is not safe. If you connect with other wallet, then it's not safe. Okay, so I suggest you be careful from this site. Okay, like this site name is PCZ on pcz02.com. not only this address, same so many site is now available, one by one coming. Okay, I got new one site. This is the new one. Okay, this is how to work. Look here, if I connect, then here permission, they want permission, which one I want connect, which one. If I connect with this, then connected with the trust wallet, and he got access in your trust wallet. This is the trust wallet weak point. If I connect other wallet with the trust wallet, then they can access. That's why I suggest you don't use trust wallet. I think trust wallet also mix with this fraud people. There are so many wallets. This all are fake. Okay, all are fake. Be careful. Thank you for watching the video.